What do you mean? Where'd she go?
She didn't say.
Well, where the hell could she be?
Go, go! On me.
I'm ready to give myself up.
Oh, I highly doubt that. Think you can put one over on me? You can't. Stand down, soldier.
I got back on the military feed. Looks like they've gone to the waterfront to rendezvous with Bet. She's turning herself in.
She's not turning herself in.
Please let him get there in time.
All over the world, people are plotting to destroy our country, to end our lives. Brave American soldiers are going to die in that fight, but they don't have to. Because of you, we could have victory.
All I've ever wanted was to make the world a safer place, and it will be. When you're not in it.
Take cover!
What are you doing here?
Being a soldier doesn't mean you're a murderer. Don't become one now. I'm sorry. I didn't see you.
Don't be. It's not your fault. I'm glad you stopped me.
I'm gonna get you back to Star Labs.
Barry. Dr. Wells. He...
We have a problem.
Is Bet okay?
No. Eileen killed her. She's glowing. She's gonna detonate.
Oh my God. A mass that size, the explosion, it would be...
Devastating.
Barry, you have to get her away from the city.
But there's no time. Can I run on water? I built up enough speed to run up a building. How fast do I need to go to run on water?
Assuming your weight, 450 pounds of force per step for vertical suspension, accounting for fluid drag.
Approximately 650 miles an hour.
You have to outrun the blast, or you'll die too.